Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Candy Blossom seed in Grow a Garden. So in this latest Easter update, there's a new rare seed called Candy Blossom. And here's how you can get it. First, just go and find this NPC, the Candy Blossom NPC, this one, and then talk to her. And then in here, you can just view crafting menu like this. And then in here, you can see to get this Candy Blossom seed, uh, you need 50 golden eggs and 1 candy blossom shard. And now for the golden eggs, you can get them from the egg war event or S or from quest rewards. So make sure you participate regularly. And for the candy blossom shard, like this, you can see it, you will need to feed the angry plant 25 times. Just keep doing it consistently until you reach the requirement, and uh, you will get this candy blossom shard. And once you have 50 golden eggs and 1 candy blossom shard like this, just go back to this NPC, and then next you can just start crafting and you will get your candy blossom seed. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.